Hello students, myself Rakesh Misra. In this video lecture, I will describe you the sexual reproduction in animals. Before it, I have described you the sexual reproduction in plants. Plants may able to reproduce asexually and sexually both, but the asexual reproduction in animals are very rare. Listen carefully. Plants may able to reproduce vegetatively by means of root, stem and leaves. Through the technical approaches, plants may able to reproduce through the tissue culture technology. But most common features of animals are sexual reproduction. Before the sexual reproduction in animals, in previous video lecture, you have learned plants perform sexual reproduction very simple way. That is the release of pollen grains over the stigma, and stigma perform the process of pollen grain germination, and the pollen grain germination resultant of the pollen tube formation, which carry the male gametes which reach to the egg cells of female, that is having the female gametes, and the fusion perform the process of complete reproduction. Formation of zygote is the post fertilization events. That is over. Let us talk about what are the key difference between reproductive system in plants and reproductive system in animals. Listen carefully. In plants and in animals, the male reproductive system has different naming. In plants, the male reproductive system is known as androecium. As you are familiar with the word androecium or stamen. But in in animals, the male reproductive system is begin from the testis. It begins from the testis. That is known as primary male reproductive system. The male reproductive system, primary male reproductive system of flowering plants is androecium, and the primary male reproductive system in animals are testes. As you all know, androecium produce the male gametophyte, that is the pollen grain. It produces the male gametophyte, that is known as pollen grain, and it is haploid in nature. मीन्स अगर मेल प्लांट में 46 या मेल प्लांट में 50 या 100 नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम होंगे, तो पॉलन ग्रेन में कितने होंगे? उसका आधा. मान लो मेल प्लांट में 100 नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम होगा, तो पॉलन ग्रेन के गैमेटोम यानी न्यूक्लियस में कितने क्रोमोसोम होंगे? वो होंगे 50. सेम कंडीशन बनता है टेस्टिस में भी. इस तरह से कुछ स्पेशल स्ट्रक्चर बनते हैं. ठीक है. तो एंड्रोसियम के जो मेल गैमेटोफाइट है वो क्या है? पॉलन ग्रेन्स. और टेस्टिस के जो मेल गैमीट है वो क्या है? वो है स्पर्म. मीन्स उसमें बनता है पॉलन ग्रेन और इसमें बनता है स्पर्म. ठीक है. पॉलन ग्रेन फ्यूज किससे करता है? एग सेल से. दैट इज गाइनोसियम. गाइनोसियम इज द प्राइमरी फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन इन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स दैट प्रोड्यूस एग सेल. एंड एग सेल इज फीमेल gametophyte that consists the female gamete or nucleus, and it is haploid in number. Same thing, the animal has primary sex organ, female is ovary. Listen, gynosium has also ovary, and ovary has the egg cell. Same things, ovary in animals produce very special types of gametes, that is known as egg cell also, or ovum. Ovum or egg cell, singular ovum, plural ova, that is having haploid number of chromosomes. यानी कि मेन बॉडी में 46 नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स होंगे, तो ओवम में कितने होंगे? 23. स्पर्म में कितना होगा? 23. ये आपको अच्छे से समझ लेना. ठीक है. सो ये दोनों फ्यूज करते हैं तो क्या बनता है? जाइगोट. ठीक है. पॉलन ग्रेन्स का मेल गैमेट्स और एग सेल का फीमेल गैमेट्स अगर फ्यूज करता है तो क्या बनता है? जाइगोट. और जाइगोट के बाद एम्ब्रियो, और एम्ब्रियो के बाद न्यू बॉडी. एम्ब्रियो, एंड एम्ब्रियो के बाद क्या बनता है? न्यू बॉडी. लिसन, सेम थिंग्स ह्यूमन बीइंग में भी होता है, या बाकी के एनिमल्स में भी होता है. स्पर्म फ्यूज विथ ओवम to form zygote, and zygote later form embryo, and embryo form new body. That is the way to explain the sexual reproduction in plants and animals. What are different between sexual reproduction in plants and animals? That is their gametophyte and their origination of gametes. What similar? The performance of fertilization by male and female gametes, formation of zygote, formation of embryo is very similar in plants and animals. Process is similar, but way to explanation or way of explanation is different. The reproductive system, structure of reproductive system in male and female reproductive system in plants and animals are different. Now back to the structure of male reproductive system in plants. Your heading for this is concept of सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. इसके लिए आप होगा हेडिंग कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. ठीक है, इन ब्रैकेट डिफरेंट वे मतलब हमारा डिस्क्रिप्शन दोनों के कंपैरिजन, कंपैरेटिव स्टडी लिख सकते हैं ब्रैकेट में, अ कंपैरेटिव स्टडी. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट हेडिंग विल बी द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इन एनिमल्स. Here the male reproductive system. Let I label the diagram and explain it. Listen carefully. The very important part of male reproductive system is the testis. Listen. This is the testis. Testis. So first part is testis. Testis is the primary sex organ of male reproductive system. It is primary sex organ of male reproductive system that produce sperm, and sperm is male gamete having 23 number of chromosomes. इससे ज्यादा आपको कुछ नहीं जानना. स्पर्म मोटाइल होते हैं, किससे प्रोड्यूस होते हैं? टेस्टिस से, और ये टेस्टिस प्राइमरी सेक्स ऑर्गन मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम का होता है. ठीक है. सेकेंड थिंग्स, testis held in a pouch like structure. Testis held in a pouch like structure that is known as scrotum. Scrotum is a pouch like structure. Pouch like structure शॉर्ट में PLS मैंने लिखा है, इसका मतलब कुछ होता नहीं, आप मत लिखिएगा, pouch like structure. ठीक है. It maintain the body temperature, that is it maintain the temperature of testis below the body temperature 2 to 2.5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. यानी कि पूरे बॉडी का टेम्परेचर से ये 2 to 2.5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड घटा के टेस्टिस का टेम्परेचर रखता है. इसी वजह से एवरी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, लिसन, फॉर दिस रीजन एवरी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स has testis outside from the body, outside from the abdomen, because the body temperature can influence to the formation of sperm inside the testis. Testis sometimes known as the factory of sperm formation, which get affected by the body temperature. So that every organism possesses testis outside from the body, inside the pouch-like structure that is known as scrotum. Scrotum maintains the temperature of testis below the body temperature, that is 2 to 2.5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. ठीक है. अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. स्क्रोटम क्वेश्चन आपका पूछता है, व्हाई एवरी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म पॉजेस टेस्टिस आउटसाइड फ्रॉम द बॉडी? बिकॉज बॉडी टेम्परेचर कैन इफेक्ट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्म इनसाइड द टेस्टिस. आंसर आपका हो गया. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, द ट्यूबुलर कनेक्शन जस्ट टू द टेस्टिस इज नोन एज एपिडिडाइमिस. Epididymis. Epididymis collect the mature sperm from the testis. Collect mature sperm from the testis. Listen. Fourth, this tubular-like structure that is known as vasa deferens. vasa deferens. When you move inside the testis, there will be vasa efferentia. एक वर्ड यहाँ पे भी होता है, vasa efferentia. The main function of vasa efferentia is to collect the somehow immature sperm which get mature inside the epididymis. But the main function of vasa deferens is to carry the mature sperm from testis to the external genitalia, that is outside from the body. Clear है? ये आप दोबारा कई बार इसको वीडियो को देखेंगे तब समझेंगे, ठीक है? So vasa deferens is to carry mature sperm outside from the body. Clear? Next, this is the urinary bladder. Need not to mention because it is the part of excretory system. This one is the gland. That gland is known as seminal vesicle. The second type of gland is Cowper's gland. And third type of gland is known as prostate gland. These are called accessory glands and these help to nourish the sperm, provide energy and provide the special kinds of lubricants in order to make the semen slippery. Listen carefully. So there is no need to explain by class 10th student, but class 12 student there is need to explain regarding the prostate gland, seminal vesicles, Cowper's gland. Cowper's gland is also known as bulbourethral gland. BULBO, bulbo, URETHRAL, urethral gland. लिख लीजिए, जगह नहीं है, बहुत छोटा है, ठीक है? Next part, that is this part, is known as urinogenital duct. Urinogenital duct means the duct or pipe-like structure that carry urine and gametes, that is sperm both, that is known as urinogenital duct. And this opening is known as urethral meatus. Listen, urinogenital duct function लिख लीजिएगा, that carry sperm and urine both from outside of the body. Reproductive system के केस में it carry only sperm. Urethral meatus, be careful, listen carefully. Urethral meatus are the opening of external genitalia, that is known as penis. And this penis help to release down the sperm outside from the body. That is the external genitalia. It acts as the external genitalia. And urethral meatus is the external opening that release the sperm outside the body. These are some important events. These are some important concepts regarding the overall sexual reproduction in animals. In next video lecture, I will describe you the sexual reproduction in animals for female reproductive system. Thank you.